Halloween hike, people. Halloween Eve. Last year, weird things happened to us on our Halloween hike. This year, we will see what happens. In a different area, so maybe we won't get haunted and spooked like we did last year. We had some pretty good rain last night. We really needed it. It's going to be windy today, so I did have my mic on. I think there might be a buffalo on the other side of this creek bed that's in front of us up here. A little hard to tell from this distance. It is a buffalo. We got buffaloes on. It's two buffaloes. I've switched over to 8K. Let's see what it does. You got the two back over there. Looks like one there. Okay, that was pretty freaky. Went off in the trees and some weird stuff was going on. And this is a bunch of sumac. They cut down all the cedars and sumac has popped up in their place. That's interesting. But we are working our way back towards the road. And then we are going to head to the truck. There goes an elk right there. I hope I got it. He's back off over there now. It's a female. There she goes. You can see her just moving through the trees. Oh, there's 3 of them. There's a baby back there too. Okay, so we have got to see some elk today. Here's another one. There's 4 of them. Dog's taking out after him. I don't know that he'll find them because of how tall the sumac. The sumac's 4 or 5 foot tall in some areas. So we did get to see some elk. Hopefully I got it good on video. They were a fair distance away, way back off over there. They look like shadows moving through the trees, but I think I'll be able to zoom in and you guys can see them. So guys, for Dog's Life, we got to see elk, buffalo, and something really weird happened back there in the trees. So maybe we can figure it out. You guys watch it and tell me what you think. It's just really something weird. It is close to Halloween, so you never know. But for Dog's Life, that's a dog right there chewing on his bone. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Guys, we appreciate each and every one of you that watches, each and every one of you that subscribes, each and every one of you that comments, and we hope you enjoy his videos. Till next time, guys, be safe.